AB, if AB parallel to CD, EF perpendicular to CD, and angle GED equals to 126 degree, then find angle AGE, angle GEF, and angle FGE. These three angles we need to find out. Okay, and the lines, what are the lines? Angle AB and CD, both are parallel, and EF EF, and that means EF is perpendicular to CD, this one. So here one thing we can identify here, if EF is perpendicular to CD, then also EF is perpendicular to BA, AB also. How can we say that? Means these two are parallel lines, and we can say this EF line is perpendicular to both the lines. Now write what are given here. So given AB parallel to CD, AB parallel to CD, another one EF perpendicular to CD. EF is perpendicular to CD, and anything is given here. One angle is given. What is that? Angle GED, and this is GED. How much? This angle is given. Angle GED. This one is how much? 126 degree. And by using this only angle, we need to find out angle AG, angle AGE. This one, angle AG, we need to find out angle GEF, angle GEF, we need to find out, and angle FGE, angle F, where is G? GE. So this angle we need to find out, and this angle, and also this angle. Total 3 angles we need to find out here. Okay, write that angle GED and angle GED equals to 126 degree. Right. First, the value is given, and we can start the problem from here. We will start the problem for this angle only. Now, angle GED. Look at the figure. Angle GED, and that means angle GEF plus angle FED. We can write that from the figure. What we can write? Angle GED. Angle GED equals to angle GEF. Angle GEF plus angle FED. Angle FED. Angle FED. And we can say here angle FED equals to 90 degrees. Angle FED equals to 90 degrees. That is perpendicular to that. That means angle GED equals to how much? It is given 126 degree. 126 degree equals to angle GEF, not there. Angle GEF plus angle FED. How much? 90 degree. So angle GEF equals to 126 degree minus 90 degree, and 126 minus 90 degree, and angle GEF equals to, that means 36 degree. First one. Okay, angle GEF we got. Where is that? This one is over. Angle GEF. Then next, angle GEF is over, and come to the other angle. What is the next one? Angle AGE. Okay, angle AGE. This angle we need to find out. Okay, and have a look here. We got this angle. How much this is? 36 degree. Okay, 36 degree. And if FED equals to 90 degrees, then what about that FEC? This is also will become 90 degree, because both are linear angles. And also we can write angle FEC. Angle FEC equals to 90 degrees. Okay, then try to find out. And next we need to find out angle AGE. Angle AGE. And have a look here. If these two lines are parallel lines, If these two lines are parallel lines and this is a transversal line, and angle AGE, one angle AGE and also angle GED, both are alternative interior angles. And that write that one from the figure. Angle AGE and angle GED are alternative interior angles. So angle AGE equals to angle GED, and that equals to how much? 126 degree. So angle AG equals to how much? Angle AGE equals to 126 degree. And second one is also over. Angle AGE also we find out. Okay, right. And once again from the figure, you can say here angle AG is over. AB is a line, and now angle AGE and angle FGE both are linear angles. Okay, and now I am writing that one. And from the figure, angle AGE and angle FGE are linear pair. So what we can write here, sum of the linear pair is 180 degrees. Sum of the linear pair is 180 degree. So write that angle AGE plus angle FGE. Angle FGE equals to how much? 180 degree. Now we have angle AGE value. How much AGE value? 126 degree. 126 degree plus 126 degree plus angle FGE. You need to find that. Angle FGE equals to 180 degree. Angle FGE equals to 180 minus 126 degree. So angle FGE equals to 180 minus 126, 54 degree. This is the answer. Okay, if AB and BCD are parallel and EF is perpendicular line to CD, and find that angle AG, angle GEF and angle FGE, all the three angles